Welcome to my channel. Body movements with their simple English meaning. Punching. To hit someone or something with your fist. Stretching. Extending muscle to increase flexibility and relieve tension. Bending. Flexing a joint or body at the waist. Twisting. It moves into an unusual, uncomfortable, or bent position. Slapping. To hit someone with an open hand. Pushing. To move something in a specified way by exerting force. Pulling. Applying force to bring an object closer. Lifting. Raising an object off the ground. Carrying. To take or support from one place to another. Throwing. To send something from your hand through the air by moving your hand or arm quickly. Catching. Tending to be transmitted from one person to another. Swinging. Moving back and forth on a suspended object. Pointing. Extending a finger to indicate a direction or object. Clapping. Striking the palms together to make a sound. Saluting. Bringing the hand to the forehead as a sign of respect. Kneeling. To position the body so that one or both knees rest on the floor. Smiling. Curving the lips to express happiness or friendliness. Crouching. Bending the knees and lowering the body close to the ground. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos.